What's happening, team? Welcome back to Mississippi Dashing. It is Saturday morning, I think a little after 10 o'clock, and we've already turned the Dasher app on. Today's going to be an awesome day. I'm sitting here hanging with my girl. This is Lana. She's lazy. Anyway, we're going to try to dash most of the whole day today, but usually the mornings are pretty slow in this area, so we've turned on the Dasher app, and we're waiting for an app waiting for the app to send us a good one from home. Once the lunch rush hits, and then the dinner shift later this evening, we'll make a little more money. But for now, we're just starting from home. So yeah, I'll see you later today. Boom. Okay, first order from Cracker Barrel for $7.50. Now, I don't know how it is in your market, but Cracker Barrel tends to be it could be a huge win or a huge loss. But since the mileage adds up, towards how much we're getting paid, I mean, it's $7.50 for, I can't remember if it was 5 miles or 3 miles. Either way, we're gonna go pick this one up, and hopefully they have it ready when we get there. Not too bad, Cracker Barrel. They only had me waiting maybe a minute or two. Girl came out and she got us our order, and now we're back on the road. Let's get this thing delivered. All right, got that delivered. Now we're headed back to our zone. Hopefully we get another order this morning. I think we're just taking it easy, man. That's the best way to approach DoorDash, is when you just take it easy. No rush, little extra cash. It's on the side and it's easy to do. My favorite. Ended up taking one order this morning, and it's been pretty good, drinking some coffee, enjoying some time here at the house. It's about 11:30, and I'm gonna get some laundry done, and then I'm probably gonna get back on the road, and we're gonna take some orders around town. It's about that lunch shift, so maybe we'll pick up some good orders along the way. All right, let's do it. Okay, so it's about 11:50, almost 12 o'clock. So about the lunch session, and God, the weather is amazing today. It's super sunny, nice outside. Let's see if we can get some lunch shift orders in, all right? All right, we got our next order from Zachary's, $7 for 4 miles. Let's go grab it. Okay, another order, $9.50 from Firehouse Subs. Let's go grab it. Okay, so we got that delivery done. I'm driving back to my zone, and we have about an hour left in this session. So we'll try to get 1 or 2 more orders, and then I'll have a break until 4 o'clock where we'll start the dinner shift. So let's head on back, see if we can get 1 more order. If not, I'll go home and make some lunch. I am kind of hungry. All right, so it's mid-afternoon. It's about 2:30, and it is the dying point. So I don't have another shift until 4 p.m. So I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get some lunch, get fed, and then we'll get back at it this evening for the dinner shift, and hopefully we'll take it up to, say somewhere between 60 and 100 bucks today. We'll see what we get. All right, I'll see you around, say 4 o'clock. So it just turned 4 o'clock, so we are on for our night shift here. Still Saturday, and I'm probably gonna work till about 7. My wife gets off work by about 7 p.m. So we'll see what we get this evening. We finished the afternoon just sort of at 25 bucks. I spent a lot of time this morning at the house, cleaning up, doing some things, and taking orders as I got them. So this evening we'll hit it hard and see if we can get up to 60 or somewhere between that and 100, who knows. But let's get moving. All right, got an order, $4.25, going 2 miles from Wendy's. We're gonna take that. Okay, just accepted a stacked order from Popeyes for $10 for about 4 miles. We're gonna take that one. It's 2 orders, but good mileage mixed with dollars from the same spot. I'm down. That wasn't too bad. Got those 2 orders delivered. Now we're headed back to my zone, try and pick up some more. So let's get back there. All right, Burger King, $5 for 1.5 miles. Going to grab it. Okay, got lucky on that one. The maps led me in the wrong direction for a hotel that's on the other side of town. Luckily, I already knew where it was. Once I delivered the order, I handed it to customers, so there was no way for me to close that order, so I had to call customer support. They had to confirm it with the customer that I had delivered that order, and it took them about 15 minutes to connect me to an agent just to talk to them about that. Whenever you get this problem, contact support. Don't hand off the order. You'll get your cash. All right, just got an order for $10.50 from Lost Pizza. This is gonna be my last order of the night because I gotta come back and go to the grocery store and then make some dinner this evening. So let's go grab this from Lost Pizza and we'll get it delivered. Well done, Lost Pizza, you're on your game. I thought I was going like 10 miles. I'm actually only going like 8 miles to deliver this one. So it's probably gonna take me about 20 minutes. This may be the last order of the night, but it's $10.50 and I think that'll put me at like $30 for this evening shift from like 4 to 7. And then, you know, we did make 24 earlier, so this will put me well over 50. So that'll work. That's not too bad for, you know, putting in, we'll say half the effort today for sure. Okay, so we just finished that last order. It was for $10.50. And yeah, I think the evening went pretty well. We finished with 30 bucks for the night. We did 25 for the lunch session. I sort of skipped the breakfast session. I only did one order this morning. I was really more interested in just sort of lounging out, so I didn't do as much work as I probably could have today. But we'll be back at it tomorrow. So yeah, not too bad. 50 bucks for the day. See you tomorrow.